sa bangko is performed on top of a narrow bench. Dancers need good balance as they go through a series of movements that include some impressive acrobatics. These dance traces its roots back to the areas of Agatisan, Tingayan, and Pangasinan. Sayaw and Kapero na bangko, or dance on top of a bench, is a dance which originates from Pangasinan and researched by Provita Sison. It is performed by a couple on a narrow bench, inching and hopping from one end to another. Dancers show skills in staying up the bench as they exchange places by moving their way around on the very thrown in the air while one moves to the other end. They do not compete, but rather complement each other so that no one falls. It is usually performed during town fiestas. HRM1A. Ready na po ba ang ating pinipiling dancers?